Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you what is Scheduler, how you can set it up, and how your candidates can use it. So, the Scheduler is a tool that helps you schedule interview meetings. You can link it with your calendar and put it in your emails to candidates so that they could choose the job interview time and date directly from the given slots. The Scheduler will automatically create a new event when the candidate chooses a slot. To create a scheduler, click on your avatar in the left bottom corner of the application. Go to My Profile and choose Scheduler. You will see the list of steps you need to fulfill in order to start using Scheduler. That include having the Pro or Elite plan chosen, calendar and your mailbox synchronized. When all three are completed, you can choose the blue Add Scheduler button below the list. Clicking it will open a new pop-up with all scheduler settings. First, choose the scheduler name. Now, you can choose the event duration time. The available slots start from 15 minutes and end on 2 hours. Let's choose 30 minutes for now. In date range, you can choose how many days up front the candidate can reserve the time and date for the job interview. The choice you have here is 3 days, 5 days, 10, 14, or even 30. The count starts from the next day, so remember that the candidate will not be available to see your today's slots. In the next section, you can use the calendar your scheduler will work with. If you have more than one calendar synchronized, you can choose to which one this scheduler relates to. In my situation, I've got only one calendar connected to the Traffit, so let's stay with the one that I have. Here you can choose the time slots for specific days. How does it work? Let's say that your Tuesday is really busy and you can't have a meeting on this day, so you can just turn it off and the candidate will not see it in the option list. Let's also say that on Thursday, you are available in 2 time slots. So the first one is from 9 till 11, and you are also available later from 3 p.m. till 6 p.m. How you can do it? Just use the plus button and you've got another time slot you can choose. So let's put in here 4 p.m. and here 3 p.m. You're working also on Saturdays? No problem, just turn it on. Please remember that the scheduler can't read your calendar. So if you've got the meeting during the time that you made yourself available in it, you have to exclude this time manually. Next thing is the location. You can put in here your company address or just the place you are meeting with the candidate. Let's say that in this situation, it will be online meeting. So I will put the info in here just so the candidate would know. If you are using Google Calendar, you can also add the link to the Google Meet in the meeting confirmation emails. At the end, use the Save button to create the scheduler. Yay, your scheduler was created successfully. Now you can add it to emails sent to candidates. It is visible here on the list, so you can edit it or delete it later if you'd like to. To add a scheduler link to your email, start writing an email to a candidate or multiple candidates. Let me show you how to do it. Go to your candidates section. Choose the candidate. Let's say it will be me. Choose send an email. Write a message. When the message is ready, just choose the scheduler icon visible next to add attachment and use email template icon. Note that the icon will be only visible if you have created at least one scheduler. After clicking on the icon, you will be able to choose the scheduler you want to put into this email. In our case, we've got only one scheduler, so let's just keep with it and click Add. You see, Traffit put the scheduler icon in the email. When you send the email, this icon will change to the link. Okay, so let's send the message to me. Here it is. Let's click the link and see how it looks from the candidate's perspective. Here you've got the name of the recruiter and the event duration. And when you scroll down, you've got all of the slots available. Let's choose the Friday one. When the candidate clicks it, he's going to see this pop-up. He's got all the details in here, like the recruiter's email address, time, date, address, and info about Google Meet link. He can choose to confirm it or cancel it to choose another slot. Let's confirm it. That's all. We have successfully selected the meeting slot. And here, you see, you've got the Google Meet link. In the same time, you as the recruiter will get the new email. It is the notification that the interview with a candidate has been scheduled. It is also visible in your Google Calendar, right here. The scheduler will also create a new event in your candidate's calendar if he is using Google or Outlook email. That's all I wanted to show you about the scheduler. Good luck with using it as a new feature and also in your future recruitment processes. See you.